In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix Apple Maps not working on your iPhone. If you're experiencing issues with Apple Maps, such as it not loading properly or the app crashing unexpectedly, don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve the problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Privacy and Security. After that, tap Location Services. And now, make sure you have location services enabled on your device. And then scroll down and tap Maps. So if you have this set to never, change it to, while using the app or widgets. Once you've done that, Apple Maps will work without any issues. However, if you are still having issues, then let's move on to the next method. Go back to the main settings page, scroll up, and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you see Maps. Tap on it. Now what you want to do next is tap Offload App. And then tap Reinstall App. And now it will download and install a fresh new version of the Apple Maps app on your device, and this will fix any bugs or glitches with the app itself. Now you can open Apple Maps and see if it is working properly or not. One more thing that you can do is try resetting all settings. To do that, go back to the General Settings. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. And then tap Reset All Settings. If none of these didn't work, then make sure you are using the latest version of iOS on your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.